Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me show you how to turn on and off leveler in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here we have to tap to composition. Now at the last place we have level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. When we move back to camera, we can see now this type of view, and the leveler is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. As you can see, when this plus is on orange color, we can be sure that we hold it steady. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to right corner settings, composition, tap to leveler. So for now in the preview it has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.